Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Lauren and I'm back for story time today. As you can see, I've got my rain jacket on because it's raining outside. And I thought today would be the perfect day to read our book, Listen to the Rain. I brought some special instruments, a rain stick, and a thunder tube to help us hear the sounds of the rain as we read our story. Listen to the rain, the whisper of the rain, the slow, soft sprinkle, the drip, drop, tinkle, the first wet whisper of the rain. Listen to the rain, the singing of the rain, the tiptoe pitter-patter, the splish and splash and splatter, the steady sound, the singing of the rain. Listen to the rain, the roaring, pouring rain, the hurly-burly, topsy-turvy, lashing, gnashing teeth of rain. The lightning flashing, thunder crashing, sounding, pounding, roaring rain. Leaving all outdoors a muddle, a mishy, mushy, muddy puddle. Listen to the quietude, the silence and the solitude of after rain. The dripping, dripping, dropping, dropping, the slowly, slowly stopping. The fresh, wet, silent aftertime of rain. Boys and girls, thank you so much for listening to our story. I hope you can still get outside today and maybe splash in some puddles when the rain stops. Thanks for being here today. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.